In today's video, I'm going to give you a lot more information about something called Atkins Diet. You will learn what is it, Atkins Diet, what are the phases of Atkins Diet, and also you will learn what food you should eat and what food you should avoid if you are on Atkins Diet. The Atkins Diet was designed by American cardiologist Dr. Robert Atkins, a physician and nutritionist who developed his diet in 1970s after researching the potential benefits of reducing carbohydrate intake. He was particularly inspired by research conducted in 1950s on the effects of low carbohydrate diets, along with the papers published on the same topic in the Journal of American Medical Association. What do you eat on Atkins Diet? Since it's a low-carb diet, things like sugar, fruits, grains, and many processed food are avoided on Atkins Diet. Dr. Atkins believed that instead of low-carb diet that focuses on low-carb foods like meat, vegetables, cheese, and butter, could help you to get better with many kind of conditions. Also, this diet is specifically intended for everyone who wants to lose weight in some good quality natural way. What are the phases of the Atkins Diet? Phase 1. Last 2 weeks during which carbohydrates are avoided as much as possible, even those of plant origin. Plant fibers and starch are avoided. This is the phase in which the intake of vitamins and minerals will be significantly reduced, so it's necessary to take supplements and dietary supplements of many forms. This is so-called induction phase, in which the metabolism is encouraged to use fats already stored in the body instead of sugar as an energy source. In the most cases, after you're not eating for 16, 18, 20 hours, usually you will get in something called ketosis phase, when you use ketones for everyday energy. And in this Atkins diet, we try to find some kind of similar kind of condition to burn the fat in our body and get leaner in the process. Phase 2 is the meat, fish, and eggs are eaten without restriction, and carbohydrates intake is limited up to 40 grams per day, depending on person's body weight, age, gender, and the hormonal balance. It starts with 25 grams of carbohydrates per day, and this number gradually increases in the second phase. The greatest weight loss is expected in this kind of days in this phase 2. After phase 2, of course, comes phase 3. Phase 3 is the third phase. Carbohydrate intake is increased to 60 grams per day. And this amount of carbohydrates should continue to be taken after end of the diet. The third phase lasts until desired body weight is reached and until this weight is contained for the last a month. With the Atkins diet, there is no calorie restriction because meat, cheese, eggs, and fish can be eaten unlimitedly. The author of this diet recommends regular exercise and the intake of minerals and vitamins through supplementation. That is, of course, very important things. Usually, when you deplete yourself with some kind of food that you probably eat each day, many of those food maybe have some kind of minerals, vitamins, essential fatty acids, and that's why you need good quality supplementations when you are in this diet. In the phase 4 is the maintenance phase, and this is the final phase which you intended to basically continue forever. You reach this phase once you reach your target weight and are able to eat variety of food without regaining any kind of weight. And this is in the short what you need to know about the Atkins diet. And in this part of the video, I'm going to give you food you should eat and the food you should avoid it. Food you should eat on the Atkins diet is fish and seafood. Consume with wild-caught fish and avoid shellfish such as shrimp. Good choices are salmon, haddock, or trout. Organic and grass-fed beef, pork, turkey, and chicken. Non-starchy vegetables such as spinach, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, green beans, cabbage, canned cucumber, tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, broccoli, zucchini, bell peppers, lettuce, and asparagus. In the phase 2, other vegetables that have more carbs are added, such as tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, squash, pepper, carrots, etc. Organic and unrefined coconut oil, grapeseed, walnuts, and olive oil. Hard cheeses, butter, sour cream, and heavy cream. Approved cheese products include blue cheese, cheddar cheese, goat, feta, Swiss, Parmesan, and American cheese. Herbs and spices, of course, is the welcome in this diet, like in many other diets. Spices is unbelievably healthy. In very small portion, you will get a lot of health benefits. Use oregano, use thyme, use rosemary, or like ginger, turmeric, or whatever. Usually when you eat organic spices, it's going to be very good for your health. Food you should avoid on Atkins diet: all grains, including wheat, barley, oats, rice, and other whole grains, including all foods made with grain flour, such as bread, cakes, biscuits, chips, cereal, muffin, pasta, etc. Sugar and foods that contain artificial sweeteners or added sweeteners: honey, cane sugar, coconut sugar. Most fruits and fruit juices, lime or lemons are okay. Most pre-made condiments such as packet mixes, which tend to be higher in sugar. Starchy veggies such as carrots, potatoes, butternut, winter squash, and parsnips. Most dairy products that contain milk, yogurt, ricotta, cottage cheese, higher fat, low carb cheeses are allowed because they have very little carbs, alcohol, soda, and other sweeteners. Diet foods that have reduced fat are artificial ingredients. To make up for the lost fat, these products are usually made with some sort of extra thickness, carbs, and sweeteners. Food made with hardened or hydrogenated oil. These unhealthy oils, of course, is avoided in many diets. Usually, this is good for your head. So in this short video, I give you this information about Atkins diet. If you need to know a lot more about Atkins diet, watch my videos. More videos about Atkins diet comes very soon. If you are on the Atkins diet, what are the health benefits that you will notice each day? Please comment below. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patients from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition, and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, Mariolab Center in Croatia, at +385 98 917 9200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my Mariolab Center right now. Make an appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.